Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring the best carpet stair runners on the market, the COSY HOMEER edging stair treads. If you're looking to add safety, comfort, and style to your wooden steps, these stair runners are designed with you in mind. The COSY HOMEER stair treads come in a 15-piece set, each measuring 28 inches long and 9 inches wide, making them the perfect size to cover standard stair steps. Made from 100% polyester with a thermoplastic elastomer backing, they offer a combination of softness and durability. The low pile height ensures that the runners have a sleek profile so your doors won't get stuck when opening or closing. One of the standout features of these stair runners is the patented TPE non-slip backing. This material grips firmly to dry floors without leaving any residue behind. It's designed to stay in place without slipping or scuffing your wooden stairs, providing a safe and secure surface for your family, especially if you have pets or kids running around. Installation is a breeze. Just clean the stairs, peel off the backing, and stick the mats down. If you ever need to reposition them, they come off easily without damaging your floors or leaving sticky residue. Plus, they resist slipping even if they get wet, which adds an extra layer of safety in case of spills or moisture. The stair treads also bring a practical edge with their water-resistant properties and machine-washable design. You can keep them fresh and clean by vacuuming or tossing them in the washing machine when needed. Their low-maintenance care makes them an ideal choice for busy households. In terms of design, the beige color and solid pattern blend well with modern interiors. These stair runners are soft, fluffy, and shed-resistant, which means they'll maintain their look and feel even with regular use. They are fade-resistant too, so you won't have to worry about colors dulling over time. Weighing just over 4 pounds for the full set, these stair mats are sturdy yet lightweight, making them easy to handle during installation or cleaning. The product is crafted with quality materials and machine-made construction, ensuring consistency and longevity. Safety is always a priority, and COSY HOMEER stair treads come with clear guidelines. Always ensure the mats are completely dry before walking on them to prevent slipping, keep them away from heat sources, and avoid ironing or dry cleaning to maintain their protective qualities. Whether you want to protect your stairs from wear and tear or make them safer for kids and pets, these stair runners offer a reliable, stylish, and functional solution. They fit perfectly in hallways, family rooms, corridors, and game rooms, adapting to various indoor settings. That wraps up our look at the COSY HOMEER edging stair treads, the best carpet stair runners available. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.